Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Quickbase to model data for apps, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Quickbase to model data for apps, begin by logging into your Quickbase account. Navigate to the dashboard where your applications are listed. Select the application you want to work on or create a new one. Once in the application, click on the settings icon located in the upper right corner. From the Settings menu, choose Tables to manage the tables within your app. To create a new table, click on the plus New Table button. Provide a name for your new table that reflects the data it will store. Next, define the fields for your table by clicking on Fields in the table settings. Add a new field by selecting plus New Field and choose the appropriate field type for the data. Common field types include text, number, date, and checkbox. Fill in the field name and any additional properties required. Repeat this process for each field necessary for your data model. Once your fields are set up, establish relationships between tables if needed. Go to the Relationships section in the Settings menu. Click on plus New Relationship and select the tables you'd like to connect. Define the relationship type, such as one-to-many or many-to-many. Ensure that all foreign keys are established correctly to maintain data integrity. After creating your tables and relationships, use the Forms section to configure how data will be entered. Create and design forms for easier data input that matches your business processes. You can customize which fields are displayed and required when submitting data. To visualize your data, explore the Reports section. Create reports that summarize and analyze your data effectively. Choose the right report type, such as table, chart, or calendar, based on your needs. Save your reports so you can access them quickly later. Finally, test your app configuration by entering sample data through the forms. Check to ensure that relationships and reports function as intended. By following these steps, you will have effectively configured Quickbase to model your data for apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.